It looks freaking amazing. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Like you guys can see, the plastic is all down. The wheels are out of here. They're on the truck and they're finally finished painting in this video. And like you can also see, the freaking couch is gone. Yes, the couch is finally gone. I have my garage back and we have a lot more room for activities in here. Still have the new wheels in the boxes, waiting on tires. Talking with a couple different companies right now. Trying to figure out if I'm gonna go with a mud terrain tire like I have now, or I might possibly go with a bogger, which would be extremely loud on the road, and we definitely would have to take the truck off road and have some fun with it because it cannot be strictly a pavement princess with boggers on it. But either I'm gonna go with probably a mud terrain or maybe like an all-terrain tire. I don't know. There's not really many all-terrain tires in that size when you get to like a 40 to a 42. So probably gonna stick with right now I'm looking at either a Fury, even though I heard Furies aren't true to size in their width, or maybe possibly a Nitto, because Nittos are really good. They're just really expensive. And I really wish RBP, which is rolling big power, which are the ones I have on the truck now, made a 40, but they only go up to a 37. So hopefully in the future they make 40s. And then one other thing I wanted to mention about the wheels was if I was going to keep them on the truck, I would have taken the tires off, had the wheels sandblasted, had them powder coated, got the tires put back on, and then put them on the truck. But since I didn't know what color I wanted to go with for the new wheels, instead of black, black's so common, everyone has black. I want to do something a little different. So before I just went ahead and powder coated the new wheels and had them sandblasted, I wanted to plastic up the old ones, see how white looked on the truck. And let me just tell you right now, it looks freaking amazing. I'm a huge fan of it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of it when you see it here in a minute. But let's hop into today's video. I just wanted to go over that real quick because I don't want to get any comments down below about, oh, you didn't do it right, you should have sandblasted the wheels, blah, 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 blah. Yes, I know. They didn't come out perfect, but it got the job done for what I wanted to use them for and to see how they look, and you'll see here in a second. Alright, so I'm about to throw together the center caps, and for those of you that don't know, the K in the middle comes out, and as you'll see right here, it'll just slide in the middle. If I can line it up correctly, boom, like that. So that's what the center caps look like, and then there's just two screws that'll screw into the back here. So pretty cool. I went with black on the K obviously, but I'm going to throw these together real quick, and then we'll get them thrown off the truck and go out and see how they look. just going out right now to get some photos and also give you guys some footage of the wheels on the truck. I just got them put on, and it's also Remy's first time in the truck, which she has to go in the middle, otherwise she'll touch the seats no matter how far forward you put them. So she's doing good though. She was crying a little bit, but once we got rolling, she's good. So she likes diesel trucks, just not when they stop. But we're gonna get to a spot up here, and I'm gonna get some footage for you guys to show you the wheels and get some photos for Instagram because I need new ones back. Alright, we finally have the wheels on the truck. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the wheels. I personally think they're like freaking sick. One thing I wanted to say too is if I was going to keep these wheels on the truck, I would have had them sandblasted and then powder coated instead of PLASTI dip. I just PLASTI dipped them because I wanted to see what white would look on the truck before I went ahead and powder coated wheels. But let me know in the comments down below if I should paint or powder. I think I'm going to powder coat. If I should powder coat the new wheels white. I personally think they look sick. I mean, they stand out. They're crazy. Man, that thing looks insane. I'm a huge fan of it. I painted the K black like you guys saw, and I painted the lug nuts black as well. I think I'm gonna go with spike lug nuts though, and I'll probably do black as well if I do go with the white wheels on the new setup. Let me know in the comments down below any recommendations for spike lug nuts. I know there's True Spike. I know they're a little expensive, but you get what you pay for. I don't want to go with Amazon because I don't want to run into the same problem that Josh had and either get the wrong ones or screw up the threads on it. Man, that thing looks so good. But anyways, we're gonna get back to the house. I just want to show you guys what the wheels look like on the truck. I'm sorry it took longer than I initially planned on. That's what happens though with newborn, and also work's been crazy lately. But we're gonna get back to the house and do an unboxing. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So we just got back to the house, and like I said, we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm also on baby watch, so if you guys hear any weird sounds, it's the baby monitor. And if there's any weird cuts, because I had to go attend to her, which she's fussy right now, so I might have to go do that here in a minute. But we got 2 boxes here today from our good buddies over at Adrenaline Offroad, which if you guys use code NEVERSATISFIED24V at checkout, it used to be $20 off, now it is $25 off. So if you guys need any lighting, or you guys want any lighting accessories for your truck, whether that's wheel lights, rock lights, new headlights, those rope whips, whatever they call them, that light up for off-road vehicles like UTVs, ATVs, that kind of stuff. They have those as well, and many other products. I'll put their website down in the description below, as well as my coupon code. It's always in the descriptions below. But with that being said, let's open up these 2 boxes. I'm super excited about this one. I think you guys are going to be too, so stay tuned. All right, big one first or small one first? Big one first. Is that even a question? Woo, baby. Look at that. All right, sorry, quick interruption. Me and the missus are already trying to get a new car because the car we just bought isn't big enough. So we're on the hunt for a bigger vehicle. And the one that we want is currently damn near impossible to get your hands on right now. And one just became available. And I got a text about it this morning, but I didn't see it till this afternoon. And by the time I responded to it, someone's already claimed it, so that sucks. So like you guys saw, this is a RGBW plus T Starlight headliner kit. That is a mouthful to say. Try saying that 10 times fast. But it's a RGB, so red, green, blue. W, which means white, for a true white, not the lights, different colors that make it white. And then T, which is the twinkle effect. But this is 700 strands, like I said, from Adrenaline Offroad, which is really awesome. They got their logo engraved on the box here, which is super slick look in my opinion. I'm not gonna open, screw it, we'll open it up out of the package. I was gonna save that, but you know what? This is an unboxing video, and it wouldn't be an unboxing video if I didn't take it out of the packages for you guys. And I'm probably gonna have to go here because she's moving around and she wants some attention. Alright, I gotta go, so I'll be right back and we'll get to this in a second. Alright, so now that she's taken care of, we can get back to this. So this is our light engine right here, which, like I said before, it has the engraved Adrenaline Offroad logo on there, which is a sweet little touch they added to it. So one thing that's cool about this light engine is it's more than double the competitors in wattage. This thing is 50 watts, so that's awesome. We got some wiring right here as well, and then you guys could see it's got a controller as well as an app that you can use on your phone. I'll probably use the app on my phone, but it's always awesome to have the controller inside the truck at any time you might need it. I use the controller for the wheel lights all the time, so it's really awesome. And I didn't know if I mentioned it or not, but this is 700 strands. They have a 500, a 700, an 1100, and then a 1300, I do believe. But let's go and open up this other box, and then I'll go over some more specs with you guys about this headliner kit. So right here we got what I think is going to be one of the coolest parts about this Starlight headliner, which is going to be the shooting stars. So let's get this guy open up and see what we got. So right off the bat, you got a promo code for $20 off, which that's cool if you guys order this. Or I mean, you could just save 25 bucks and use my promo code too, Never Satisfied 24V. So we got the wiring for it as well. We got some instructions right here, which looks like how to use the app for your phone and all the different light modes and everything. And then we got all of our shooting stars, which this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Oh my god. So we got 204 shooting stars. So we're going to have 904 lights on our headliner, which you guys will see in next video. It's not too big, so it's going to be a lot of stars in a small area, which I think is going to be awesome. I'm super excited about it. Then you also have another controller here. So we have two controllers, some screws. And then this is probably the box for it. Yeah, this is going to be the power for the shooting stars. So it looks like you're just going to set them in here, and then those screws will just set in there and hold it in place. But you guys will see all that in an upcoming video when we wire all this up, which I'm super excited about. But I'm going to put everything back in the box for now so we don't lose anything. Alright guys, so now that you've seen the product unboxed, I want to go over some specs about it, which I have on my phone here. I'll throw some pictures up on the screen as we go along here too, so you guys can see like a comparison of brightness and everything. So first thing is the fiber optic wire. The average is 16 to 20 watts. Like I showed you guys on this light engine, this kit is 50 watts, so it's going to be twice as bright as competitors. And each star comes with a 12-foot lead, so you have enough room to tuck away your box and also get stars up in the very front of your cab in the corners and everything. Unless you have like an extended crew cab or something crazy like that, like a 6-door, then you might run into some problems there. But like I showed you guys, it has a Bluetooth box and an RGB controller. Also has that mobile app as well. So the fiber optic cable diameter is 0.75 millimeters. For power, we got that 50 watt light engine like we went over already. The highest rated lifespan for the lights is 50,000 hours, so that's pretty crazy. It's got a twinkle effect built in with 4 different speeds. So it also says right here that for the fiber optic, it has a brightest star in capability with no light displacement in the cable. It also has a built-in microphone for sound activation. It has the controller as well as the app to power it up. Those are the specs on the kit I wanted to go over with you guys. I'm super excited to get this kit on the truck. And next video or the video after that, we're going to take the headliner out of the truck, pull the fabric off it, get it all stripped down, get new fabric on it, and start getting the kit installed. We probably won't get in the kit installed next video. We're going to get the headliner out, strip that down, get the new fabric all on it in one video, and then we'll get to the headliner in a different video. But if you guys want to pick one up for yourself, use promo code NEVERSATISFIED24V at AdrenalineOffroadOutfitters.com. All links in the description below as well as on the screen here. I'll put them up for you guys. But I'm super excited to get this kit installed on the truck. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are excited for it too. If there's any crazy patterns you want me to do, I'll consider anything. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels too. I'm super excited how they came out. I think they came out pretty awesome for PLASTI dip. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should powder coat the wheels. White or a different color maybe. I don't know. But right now I'm leaning more towards white because I really like the way it looks. Huge shout out to Adrenaline Offroad for hooking us up with the Starlight kit. I'm super excited to get it installed on the truck. In the next couple of videos, we'll be getting it installed, so make sure your post notifications are on. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new here, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. And do you mind? I'm trying to film. Don't you see I'm trying to film? But I'm super excited for it. Let me know what you guys think of the So first things first, the fiber optic